now come back to the real world for maybe 15 minutes, and then we'll start chapter 4 for 15 minutes, and then we're going to practice for you for 15 minutes. All right. Today I did bring in a voltmeter. What I wanted to do was talk just a touch about the voltage coming out of the wall. I have several purposes. One, all semester long, I think being able to connect some of what we're doing to the real world is useful. I often have a hidden purpose with some of these activities. Today, my hidden purpose is to discuss more with AC. One way of teaching this course would be to stick strictly with DC until we suddenly get to capacitors and inductors in 2 chapters, and then work with AC in a much more vigorous way. I find the problem with that approach, which is 10 years ago when I first started teaching this course at different school, I used that more standard approach. What I find is that it's very hard for people to quickly go from not doing any AC at all for the semester and then suddenly jump in and have to be understanding capacitors, inductors, and the oscilloscope, and the function generator, and RMS value, and frequency, and period, and all that other stuff all at once. So what I try to do now is work a little bit of that in throughout the beginning of the semester. In fact, right now, a lot of you are in a situation where you understand how to use the oscilloscope. That's not a problem. So when we get to chapter 6, you'll be able to focus on I hope, on the capacitors and inductors and AC component of that without having to also relearn the oscilloscope, without having to relearn what RMS values mean. So I'm trying to sprinkle in some AC discussion all semester long rather than focus it all at once.